matrix addition and subtraction. So matrices must be the same dimensions in order to add or subtract them. And then, if they are the same dimensions, then you add or subtract by using the corresponding cells. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 2. And by the way, you don't need to know this because you can just tell looking at it that these are the same size. Therefore, I can add them. So I'm going to go 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus negative 12 is negative 8. You see the corresponding parts just combined. This one, I can't add these two matrices because my resultant matrix will be 2 spots by 2 or 3 by 3. I don't have anything out here to add to this column. So this I can't do. Now I'm going to subtract two equal size matrices. So everything in this column gets reduced by the corresponding value in this matrix. So I'm going to first come up with my matrix, and it's going to be 2 spots on top, 2 on bottom. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus negative 12. So I'm getting 4 minus negative 12. Negative, negative turns into positive, and I get 16. And by the way, you can write your math in the cell if you'd like to, and then just take one more step and reduce everything. Multiplying by a scalar and then adding. As you can see, we have 2 equal size matrices, so adding these is going to happen. But I have a scalar on the outside. So according to PEMDAS, we always do multiplication or division before we do our addition or subtraction. So first I'm going to rewrite the matrices, multiplying the scalar through. 2 times 1 is 2. And this, by the way, is just called a scalar, which means a number with not in a matrix. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus, now I'm going to do this one. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Now I can just add these because I have already done my multiplication according to PEMDAS. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I could write it like this if you'd like. 2 plus 3, 4 plus 12, 6 plus 0, 0 plus negative 6. And then perform the arithmetic right here. 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 12 is 16. 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus negative 6 is negative 6. All done. Number 5. I have to subtract these two matrices, but first I have a scalar in front of each. Now, I am going to choose to turn this minus 3 of this whole matrix into plus and multiplying by a negative 3 because I prefer to do addition rather than subtraction. So that's going to be my plan. So I'm going to actually write this, okay? So now I'm going to distribute the scalar. So first, I'm going to go like this, because I like to do that. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus, that's my preference. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Negative 3 times 0 is 0. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Okay, now I don't have to remember to minus everything, which I find a little harder to do. So my total sum matrix will now be 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. 4 plus negative 12 is negative 8. 6 plus 0 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. All done. Thanks for being here.